Hello everyone, myself Komal Vekaria. My other two colleagues are Danish Mehta and Dharmi Ahir. Here we will present Workplace Wellness Program. First of all, I would like to thank Managing Department of Tata Construction Company to provide their precious time for us. So what is Workplace Wellness Program and why is it important? So according to the data of World Health Organization, most people spend 1/3 of their time at workplace. So it is crucial to talk about importance of workplace wellness. According to the Lefegan, occupational wellness is one's attitude about work and amount of personal satisfaction and enrichment of one's gains from one's work. So in simple words, it is the equilibrium between work and leisure to promote health, financial stability, and personal satisfaction. So why is it important? It is reduce absenteeism at workplace and increase attendance at workplace, not only physically but mentally too. So mentally present worker has a least chance of on-site injury, so compensation claim will decrease and it will beneficial for company. Multiple studies shown that investment for these incentives will be beneficial for employers too, as they invest $1 per worker in terms of wellness program. They will gain between 1.5 to $6 in terms of a worker's productivity. So majority of research depicted that it can have a positive effect on business. According to the analysis of HRA of employees, physical and intellectual dimension are weak from overall wellness. So what is physical wellness? Physical wellness means how one can maintain and improve cardiovascular flexibility, strength, flexibility and cardiovascular fitness, and attempting to produce bodily balance through awareness and monitoring of mental and physical signs. Mental signs such as intuition, emotional stress, and physical signs such as pain or fatigueness of body. So in simple words, it promote good care of body and make us able to perform activity at our optimal level. So it can be achieved by proper nutrition, proper sleep, and getting good physical exercise. So it is important to reduce chance of workplace injury and sickness absenteeism. According to the research of Georgia University, exercise for even 20 minutes a day facilitate information processing and memory function. So it is important for mental wellness also. So physical exercise will have effect on our intellectual wellness too. So it is good for both. The next one is the intellectual wellness dimension. What is intellectual wellness dimension? Hitler defined intellectual wellness as a degree to which person engage in his mind in creative and stimulating activities and use of resources to increase one's knowledge. So finding creativity and novelty in our day-to-day life and openness of our mind to gain further knowledge about academic or about our work will improve our intellectual wellness, and it improves open free thinking, which reduce conflict between workers and increase productivity, which will beneficial for company too. Further presentation will be done by Danish Mehta. Thank you.
Hi, I am Dennis Mehta. Today I am going to give brief knowledge about Workplace Wellness Program, and here is the agenda of the program. The first part of the program is health risk assessment, which is a screening tool which helps to identify and monitor the health status of the workers. It includes questionnaire and assessment of health status. It also includes demographic data, physical health such as weight, blood pressure, cholesterol, intellectual health such as current knowledge of current events, social and political events. Also, it also includes current and previous health condition. The second part of the program is establishment of wellness committee, which plays important role for organization of the program. Responsibility of committee is evaluating the current or previous strategies employer needs and developing a effective health promotion program. The third part is goals and objective. The main goal is to improve workers' health, reduce healthcare cost, reduce absenteeism, and increase the productivity. Here are some examples such as reduce the number of employees who are doing continuously smoking by 5% after the 6 months. The fourth stage of the program is the strategy. Our program was specially designed for manual labor department of Tata Construction Limited company. The first strategy is a smoking cessation program. Tobacco is a leading cause of death in the world. Half of the population who are doing smoking want to quit in the world. Employer can save about $6,000 per employer Effect of smoking are low performance, low productivity, increased financial struggle as a worker not able to give more time to their work, increased illness. How to implement this program? The main focus on given on smoker. Session start after working hours. The 2 session per month, first and third week. 1 hour counseling session, both telephone and individual counseling. Social support should be given to reduce absenteeism, and the treatment is prescription of drug or and counter nicotine replacement therapy should be given. Advantages are improve overall well-being of the worker, improve physical wellness, worker health, and give more time to their job. So, smoking citizen program improves physical performance also. Second strategy is lunch and learn quiz. Worker take their lunch and learn about topic related quiz. And every day the quiz related information will be displayed on the screen at lunch area. The quiz will be 45 minutes, equal proportion of participation, so there is no gender bias, and financial reward will be given to the winner. The 15 minutes from lunch and 30 minutes from work time should be taken. The topic of quiz are nutrition and diet, physical activity, financial health, mental and emotional health, etc. Every week, one common topic should be decided. The benefit of lunch and learn quiz are improve employees' morale, improve productivity, improve knowledge about other culture, keeps mind busy, and opportunity to learn other work culture and select other career. Third is stretching exercise program. Movement is medicine, which helps to reduce risk of musculoskeletal injury. Without flexibility, muscle length decreases, which increase muscular and joint pain. The implementation of program, we will organize this program for 2 days per week, 30 minutes session, in which every workers doing stretching of neck, chest, leg, and so on. It will be held on Tuesday and Thursday. After 6 months, this program will run by any worker. Benefits of this program are improve joint flexibility, increase muscle length, decrease joint pain, improve performance, decrease joint degeneration and muscle soreness, happy stretching, happy workplace. A fourth strategy is recipe contest. Every worker make recipe on paper. Winner get one free meal, which attracts other employees. Also, it will increase creativity of worker, which enhance intellectual worker, and consuming healthy food, which helps to improve physical wellness. Also, the fifth strategy is free health checkup, which is a risk management tool. It helps to identify and monitor risk factor. It will be organized on last Saturday of every month. It helps to decrease absenteeism, increase retention of the worker, increase productivity, and improve overall health of the worker. The component of health checkup are cardiovascular examination, musculoskeletal examination, height, weight, body mass index, and cholesterol level, etc.
Hi everyone, my name is Dharmi Ahir and I will go further with how can we evaluate the success of program. So, we can evaluate the success of program by establishing metrics and baseline measurement. For example, participation rate, program completion rate, reduction in the healthcare cost and the percentage of employee who stop smoking. If we look at the budget of the program, here we have included the cost of individual session as well as the cost of each intervention for 1 month and 6 months. Things to notify here are we have not included the cost of places as we will use company's own property and hold. For the smoking cessation program, we will collaborate with the social service organization and this will further reduce the cost. If we health promotion means any intervention that you will do for the well-being of a person, and social determinants of the health are surroundings in which people live. Our strategies increase participation because it offers equitable access to everyone. In Lunch and Learn quiz, we will encourage equal participation of both the genders. Quiz act as an counter conditioning process of change for the smoking, as it divert thought of smoker. Lower education level directly correlate with the low income. So, by giving financial reward in the quiz, we will help our employees to have a stable financial background. Most of the activities will be held during working hours. We will provide instructor for stretching in both the shift, morning and night. Healthcare checkup camp will be organized in collaboration with the non-profitable social organization, and recipe contest is a great opportunity for a person who want to start their career in a food related background. People at workplace are from different cultures, so interaction with each other will help them to clear their cultural differences. Consumption of healthy food and facility of healthcare system, and opportunity to earn more financial rewards will improve their overall wellness. Healthy it, in this intervention, we don't use any chemical and hazardous material which help to promote healthy environment. Ultimately, a sense of getting something without any financial investment will promote employees to take part. Now, I will talk about why a company need employment wellness program. So, the employment wellness program have direct effect on the productivity and profits of the company. Employee will work harder if they feel that they are recognized and appreciated by their employers. So everyone is happier and healthier when they have an opportunity to focus on their wellness. So this is a best gift an employer can give to their employees. A comprehensive review has shown that the wellness program has ability to reduce employee related healthcare expenditure. Among 22 different studies, the average return of the investment was $3.27. It means that every $1 you have invested in the wellness program will reduce the cost of healthcare by $3.27. Now, I will put some remark on why your company should select our organization as their wellness program providers. So, we have shown our skill in the strategies that our wellness program will improve your employer brand, build loyalty among current employees, and save your money. Our wellness program can help you to remain competitive within the labor market. It emphasizes on daily exercises. So along with reducing the weight, it will also help to reduce stress, and this will be beneficial for both employee as well as employers. In short, our wellness program included individual as well as community level of health promotion. It has participatory approach as we will giving rights to employees too. We are focusing on the existing strength and assets, and we have included many determinants of the health. If we talk about this smoking cessation program, then we are not ending at the action stage. We are starting from the contemplation stage and encourage each and every client to reach to the maintenance stage. Our wellness program offers multiple benefits to your employees in low budget. Collaboration with the non-profitable organization will be beneficial for your company in terms of getting high quality service at the lower cost. Implementing a wellness program is a cost as well as research consuming thought, but with so many benefits to your employees' productivity, loyalty, and happiness, I think the investment will worth it. Lastly, I would like to thank Tata Construction Company for giving our organization an opportunity to represent our wellness program strategies. Thank you.